Have you ever wanted to make a new friend, but didn't know what to say?
Today, Sophie will learn that one simple word can change everything.
Hello, Sophie.
Hello, Jack.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. Say, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Great job! Hello. My name is Emma. My name is Sophie. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Have a nice day. Thank you. You too.
How was your day?
It was great. I made a new friend today.
That's wonderful.
We are happy for you.
Thank you. I feel confident now. One hello can start a friendship. I am not afraid anymore.
Small words can make big friendships. Keep practicing English every day. See you in the next story.